If you've ever wondered how to enable cookies in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to find the cookie settings and how to turn them on so websites can keep you signed in, save your preferences, remember your shopping cart, and load properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and walkthroughs. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to make sure you're using the Chrome browser since the steps can look a little different in other browsers. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its main settings and controls. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Chrome will open a new settings page, and this is where you can manage everything from appearance to privacy and security options. Now, on the left side of the screen, find and click Privacy and Security. This section is very important because it controls how Chrome handles your browsing data, website permissions, and tracking preferences. Inside Privacy and Security, look for the Cookie Settings area. Depending on your Chrome version, you may see an option labeled Third-Party Cookies. Click that to open the cookie controls. This is where you can decide how Chrome handles cookies from websites and other sources. Now, it's time to enable cookies. Select Allow Third-Party Cookies. This setting allows websites to store and access the information they need so you can stay signed in, keep items in your cart, and use websites more smoothly. If a site wasn't working correctly before, turning this on can often fix the issue right away. After you select the option, your changes should take effect immediately. In most cases, you can now go back to the website and refresh the page to see if it works properly. If you are having trouble logging in, saving preferences, or checking out online, enabling cookies may solve the problem. Just remember, cookies are useful, but they also affect your privacy settings, so it's a good idea to review them based on your own browsing needs. You can always come back to this same menu later if you want to change the setting again. And that's it. You've now enabled cookies in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.